am Renee.
I'm Joe.
I'm Ava.
And this is Highland Springs Homestead.
Upon hiking over our 13-acre property, we walked up one of the many logging roads that led to an uninhabitable shack. Caw-caw! It was filled with black mold and old junk, and we eventually started separating the metal from the garbage.
I'm pretty sure Dave got a nail in his hand during this point.
He did, and he wasn't sure when his last tetanus shot was.
That was not cool.
Was not. We worked on tearing down the walls. And of course, burning what we could. After that, we thought we could just pull the rest down with the truck. So we tried. Again. And again. And again.
This thing just did not want to die. It was kind of annoying me having to film this just over and over again. But oh my god! It's moving? Is it? Is it? Nope.
That must have been terrible.
Nope. Is it gonna go down? Huh? Ooh, big man with the hammer. This is the time, right? This is the time. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. It's gonna go. Yeah. Whoa! It moved. I think success.
We, of course, had to burn it down. So we did.
Burn, baby, burn. Disco Inferno. Burn, baby, burn. Burn that mother down.
Is that technically copyright?
I don't know. Just leave it.
Down.
So what's your favorite song with fire in it? Just leave it down in the comments. I think that's a good idea, don't you?
Absolutely. We created a playlist all about, like, you know, fire and burning and whatnot to play along while this was burning.
Mostly Light 'Em Up by Fall Out Boy, so.
Yeah. And then it was time to clean up the rest. The metal roof was basically a big instrumental part in keeping the blaze under control. So afterwards, we folded up the leftover pieces, kind of like folding a letter. And we took it to the dump.
Ooh. I pick things up and put them down. Pick things up and put them down. Oh, yeah, go big man.
We want to pump you up!
So, I don't think that's copyright, right?
No, screw it.
Okay.
Quick correction. We did not take it to the dump. We actually took it to a recycling center. Reduce, reuse.
There's this part coming up you guys should really watch. It's the best part in the entire video. Let's just make that straight right now.
I don't think it's the best part. It hurt my face.
I think it's funny. You just gotta keep watching. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it. Boom. Should we play that again? I think we should play that again.
Yeah, probably. That thing hurt. It was just an old piece of wood that was burnt. Caused serious damage.
I think
really.
It was funny.
That was alright.
And that was a Shack Demolition, y'all.